next generation Liebherr T284 Ultra Class mining truck. With a wealth of knowledge and experience as an OEM, Liebherr has continuously set new benchmarks. Having the lightest empty vehicle weight in the industry means that the T284 is able to move more tons per hour at the lowest cost per ton. Its steel structure with cast components make for a lightweight but durable frame design. Liebherr's vertical integration guarantees high-quality components with increased machine availability. The T284's performance and reliability is impressive in all types of mining operation, especially when fitted with special environmental kits. Liebherr's Litronic Plus drive system reduces cycle times with its flexible and powerful engine options. This intelligent design allows the T284 to perform at maximum payload, efficiency, and speed on grade in any application. Liebherr's focus is on our customers, so we provide exceptional service and support to help them achieve their high expectations. High levels of machine availability are achieved with a design focus on serviceability and supported by 24/7 technical support direct from the factories. Liebherr creates customized service solutions through a global network of dedicated service partners, enabling productive and long-lasting partnerships with our customers. The T284 cab was designed for operator safety and comfort, while innovative operator assist systems make for user-friendly handling and operation. The Liebherr T284, the next level in productivity.